For sale here at Wood Transits, we've got a Ford Transit Custom. It's March registered 2015 on a 15 plate. It's a 270 with a half fridge. So when you open the side loading door, you've got refrigerated space in the side door area, and then ply lined load space to the rear. Engine wise, we've got a 2.2 Euro 5, 125 PS, 6-speed. Base model, so normal dashboard layout inside. Electric windows, Bluetooth, radio with stereo radio with MP3 aux. So the centre fridge, powered by the overhead Webasto unit, also has the overnight standby hookup. So side loading door into the half fridge. So fridge unit up the top, LED light. Just over 1.6 metres in width, so the width of the van essentially, and then just over a metre in load length for the fridge area. Now to the rear load area behind the fridge, so ply lined, sides, doors, wheel boxes. So we've got just over 1.7 metres wide and 1.2 metres usable load length. Rear doors open to 90 degrees and to 180 degrees, as you see. Into the cab now, so light usage on this one, just under 12,000 miles. It's a lovely low miles for the age. Really good condition cab. It's an ex-lease vehicle used by a university, tuck shop or cafe. 6-speed. Radio MP3 aux. Fridge control. Fridge pumps down to 0. Fan heater control. So 11,790 miles. It's all fully serviced and prepared here at Wood Transits. We also offer 6-month, 6,000 mile, no quibble parts and labour warranty on the vehicle as well, fully prepared in-house here. Both seat bases on the passenger seat lift up, so you've got secret storage underneath the seat base. This rare half fridge van, nice low miles, in stock today. If you'd like any more details, or if you'd like to book an appointment for a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. More than happy to help. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.